Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see exercise history on the Fitbit app. Alright, so start by opening up the app. Now, once you're in here, in your home screen or on your dashboard, just go and scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find activity. Under that, we have exercise days. Okay, and within exercise days, we have this calendar view. So just basically tap on it. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to month. In here, as you can see, we have the monthly calendar opened. So just use the left arrow key right here, or the arrows, okay, to select the specific month you're interested in. Now, to see specific details, just go and scroll down. For example, for July 2025, okay, just scroll down and you'll be able to see the weeks in here, okay? Say, for example, from July 29th to 5, or June 29th to July 5. So just tap on it. And then in here, just go ahead and tap on the day you want to view. Just tap on one and the exercises for that day will be listed. That is it. That is how you see your exercise history on the Fitbit app. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.